Okay, well the bike right now says it's at 22 psi. Let's just check and see what it really is. And it's hard to tell. These tires aren't very dirty, so I've got about 25, 28. So it will pick it up. Let's see if I can get up on the center stand now. I couldn't before. Well, pump's kind of warm. Okay, not a problem there at all. Now that it's got a little bit of air in it. Okay. Of course, the bike, I don't know how often it reads the pressure, so it just might be behind. Yeah, the little motor's warm, the pump's pretty toasty. It just keep on going. Check up the camera a little bit. There we go. Okay, well, let's check it. The bike's not reading yet. I turned it off and turned it back on. Ooh, that little pump's pretty warm. I don't blame it. It's working pretty darn hard right now. It's about 32 psi. Let's see if the bike is reading yet. Nope, not yet. So, for the little science project, I mean, that's all good. Sure, I need to get a little bit higher, and I'm going to keep it going here. But that's good enough to get me out of the woods if I need to get out of the woods to a gas station to top it off if the pump won't go any higher. But anyway, yeah, it was kind of fun.